Donate just £1. We need your help to launch our enterprise. Together we are providing opportunities for our young people to develop key life and employment skills. With your help, we can go a long way to helping more young people. Remember, every pound goes towards our programs that teach key transferable life skills. We're so close to launching our first car cleaning enterprise. Your help will go a long way. Our vehicle cleaning service is the epicenter of our employment training and support services, fostering skill development and creating meaningful opportunities. Please donate now, just £1. 100% of your generous donation will help us to change more lives.